Magandang buhay sa lahat. Enrique Hill New Update. Sir Ranvel Rufino New Update. With Enrique Hill and Rocket. Off to another adventure. Thank you, Air Rome. Always connected, always booked. Iyan ang caption ni Sir Ranvel Rufino sa kanyang new update. Dahil sa kanilang idolo na si Enrique Hill, nagdagsaan ang mga komento ng mga fans. Ayon sa fan ni Enrique Hill, "Have a safe flight, Ran Ken. Good luck sa next film mo, Ken. This is genre that you want to do. And you have a terrific director." Spotted din si Enrique Hill sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, going to Taipei, Taiwan, to shoot his new horror movie with a lucky fanboy. Excited na ang mga fans ni Kay nito sa pangalawa nitong movie na gagampanan. At tiyak, napatok na naman ito sa mga manonood. Samantala, behind the scene, photoshoot. Fit with Liza Soberano. Ang kanyang international magazine, The Lateral. Ating silipin, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.